We are 6 weeks old today. There's Curly. And Powder, he is gonna fall off the bed. We're pretty sure Powder is a boy, which Powder's so pretty, it's hard to believe it's a boy. And then there's Coco. I'm not getting a very good video because they're everywhere. And there's Drama. Drama is still deciding if... There's Louis. Louis. Hi, Louis. Drama can't decide if he wants a bottle, if he wants to nurse, or if he wants to eat cat food. So we're kind of in between all of them. And Curly is just as ornery as always. Powder. Everybody wants to see your guys' faces, and you're not very cooperative. Let's see if I can get your little face. Nope. Curly. Curly. Hi, Curly. Hi, Curly. There. Okay, Powder's just gonna fall off the bed. Because I keep saving them, and they're adamant. I'm going, well, you're saving yourself, silly. Come on. Look, this one's gonna do the same. Don't mind my dirty carpet. We've only had it since 1935. Oh. And now Drama's fussing, but look who's over here making sure he's okay. I'm glad I got that on tape. Daddy, is he okay? Is he okay, Louis? Look at this little sweetheart. That's Powder. That's Powder. Powder won't let me clean his eyes out. He's just like his mama. There's Mama checking on Powder. And of course we got Curly, who's always a buster. Look at him go. Drama, what's wrong? Oh, here comes Mama. She wants to know what's going on with Drama. Come on. Come on. Get over there with Mom. Curly. Curly. Hi, Curly. That's a good one, Curly. And Louis, what do you think of all these babies, huh? What do you think of all these... Oh, I think Curly just fell off the bed. Does it get any sweeter than that? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that sweet baby. That's Powder. And yep, Curly did. He jumped off the bed, and now he's going to try to nurse her mom. And honestly, I don't even think she's nursing anymore. I think she's done. Powder. You're so silly. You're so silly, Powder. You're so silly. You're underneath all those pillows. Oh, Drama's sitting on my lap now and happy. Where are you at, Drama? Hi, Drama. There's a good one of you. Hi, Drama. Yes, you're getting so big. You're getting so big. All right. We got some good ones. Happy 6-week birthday, kitties. You're getting so big.